Hi guys, how are you? I'm Soel and you're welcome to a study of electronic MSN, and today I want to teach you how can we work with digital multimeters. And my digital multimeter name is Victor, and this model is VC97 and it has some options. Let's see that. Okay guys, it's our multimeter and I want to tell you something about that. Okay, let me. Okay, it's our multimeter. Look, it's a torch, and we can add our battery in here, and we should open that to see there. And in this device we have two fuse, and they are very important. And let me show you something. Okay, we should connect our black probe to this forever. We should connect this probe to here in the com. Okay, and they are off. It's for a millivolt DC. It's for volt AC. It's for volt DC. It's for ohms, kilo ohms, mega ohms, or everything about ohms, and for resistors. And it's for diode. Look, it's for diode. And if we tap on the select, it changes to bezer. Look, it's for bezer. Okay, and it's for capacitor, for farads, and it's for hertz, and it's for NCV. It show us the electricity or power. Look, in here I have AC power, and it show me, and it's for HFE. It means it's for transistors, and it's for temperature, centigrade or farad. And we should use these probes, and it has a sensor in here. I will open that, and they are for amperes. For example, they are for a DC. Okay, but if you want to use this ampere, the end of our options, we should connect our red probe to 10A. Okay, look, to 10A. For this part, we should connect this probe to 10A, and for another one we should connect to milliampere and this ampere. I don't know what's that. And for amperes, they are for amperes, and all of these are in here. Okay, and let me show you the temperature probes. They are our probes, and it's our sensor. Let me show you how can we work with that. And it's for test our, for example, capacitor or transistor, and we should connect it in here. Okay, we should connect it in here like this. Okay, I want to show you how can we work with temperature. I will connect the black one in com, and the red one in here. Look, C and F, centigrade and farad. Okay, in centigrade and farad. Look, it's my temperature. Let me show you. Our temperature get high and low, one by one, step by step. It's our future. It's our temperature. Sorry, it's our temperature. And I want to show you, for example, the DC voltage. The DC voltage. I connect my red probe in here and my black probe in the COM. For example, I have a battery. For example, this one. Look at the multimeter. In this battery, I have a 4 voltage or 5 volts. I have 5 volts. Okay. For example, another battery. It's for phone, the old phones. I have 3 or 4 voltage in this battery. Look. I have problem. Okay. Or another battery. This one. I have 1.5 voltage, DC voltage, and it was for a DC and for AC. Let me show you. Okay, I have AC voltage, and I should choose the AC voltage. Look, AC. I should here connect my probes. In Iran we have 220 volts AC, and it shows us this voltage. Okay, it's that. And for example, for example, I want to use my for example, I want to find the shortcuts in my project or in my board. I choose the diode part or a bezier part and the select button or switch. Look. For example, another one. I want to show you the the jumper wires. It's a jumper wire. I want to know it's good or no. Yes, it's for that. And for NC, I want to show you NCV. Look. it shouldn't have voltage. Okay, in the wire I have voltage. No. Okay, look, I have voltage, and now I have low voltage. Look. Okay, and I want to show you the torch. I want to turn on torch. For example, I should take it for 3 seconds, and my torch is on now. For example, I don't have any light. Look, I have light now. I need a light, for example, in some projects, and I don't have. I can use that. If I want to turn off it, I should take it again 3 seconds, and for the light of this background, I should take the hold switch for 3 minutes, and it's turned on now. And if I want to turn off it again, I should take it 3 seconds, and the range. For example, in ohms, I want to change my range. Okay, it's like that: kilo ohm, mega ohm. Oh, it's for that or something about that. And for example, in diode and bezier, I can use the select. In ohms, I can use the range, and another one, it's hold, it's REL, range, HZ, duty, select. It's our multimeter, and it's very simple, and it's cheap in shops, and I like my digital multimeter. Look, it's a Victor VC97, and I want to turn it off. Okay guys, if you have any problem or question about that, you can ask me in comments. I will answer that quickly, and goodbye.